What's the difference between an internal membrane and external membrane in 60 seconds? So an external membrane, if we looked under the microscope, would look like this. So they're normally vapor open membranes. They are watertight, yet breathable. When we mean breathable, we mean moisture management. So the moisture can get out of the building if it needs to. Internal membranes are more vapor closed. They would look like this in comparison. So these are airtight membranes, and they also control the moisture. They are like the bouncers of your wall construction. If this struggles in here, this will then open up and let the moisture through. So they're intelligent membranes and they open up to let it breathe. But normally we want the moisture to go here to the outside of the building. Hey guys, thank you for getting to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe below.